Whatever happened to Bobby Ray? He used to be here for us. Then he got famous and left all of his fans in the dust. We never hear from you, you're constantly changing, and your relatives always miss you. At family occasions and your mother misses you too. Since all the fortune, you've been too busy recording. Now she feels unimportant, and your daddy's been going through it since he lost his mother. The least you could do is call him to show him you support him. I never thought you would sell out. You're becoming so cocky. I asked you for a picture after your show. You walk right by me. I'm like, ain't this the dude that said it ain't about the price tag? Now on your records, all that you do is brag. Come on, Bob. I thought you was better than that, dog. What happened to Cloud 9 and Generation Lost? You were my idol. Just when I thought I'd give up on everything, I heard you play this familiar melody, 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 melody. I heard you play this familiar melody, 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 melody. Yeah. Whatever happened to B.O.B? He once was my favorite. I swear to God that I had all of his mixtapes on my playlist. He was hood, but so different at the same time. It was like a breath of fresh air every time he rhymed, and everybody was on him. And the world fell in love. The girls, the money, the lifestyle, all the above. I guess he stopped giving them for all of us little people with your shades on. We can't even see you. Is that what happens when somebody makes it off of rapping? They take the fame and change like it's just automatic. Where's the integrity? You on that other shit. You don't even sound the same. I like your other shit, but we still stand beside you, cause somewhere deep inside you there's more than what meets the eye. I swear on the Bible you were my idol. Just when I thought I'd give up on everything, I heard you play this familiar melody, 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 melody. I heard you play this familiar melody, 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 melody. Yeah, I watched my whole life change in a couple of years. Who would have ever thought I would have caught the world by the ears? I swear, this shit is so much bigger than I had figured. But if it wasn't meant to be, this wouldn't be my career. It's like people only see it the way it appears, but they never see the ropes and the pulleys and the gears. Blood, sweat, and tears, we cry blood, all we sweat is tears. In the middle of this rap game, on the battlefield, all of these shock interviewers trying to phone me. You never know who's gonna try to play you and make you look phony. I live and die for my tape. These are more than my homies. We put it all on the line. We gave up all our belongings for this rap shit. Cause at the end of the day, it ain't just rap shit. I call it making a way for our survival. Just when I thought I gave up on everything, I dreamed about this familiar melody, 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 melody.